Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a Social Security retirement benefits application letter. It is a formal request to start receiving your retirement benefits from the Social Security Administration. Start by including your personal details at the top. This includes your name, address, phone number, and email address, followed by the date. Then, you'll direct the letter to the Social Security Administration with the address of your local office. The subject line should clearly state your purpose: application for Social Security retirement benefits. In the salutation, address the letter to Dear Sir, Madam, as this is a formal and polite way to begin a professional request. By providing these essential details, you set the stage for a well-organized and clear application letter. After that, write, I am writing to formally apply for my Social Security retirement benefits as I have reached the eligible age of your age. My Social Security number is, mention your SSN. I would like my benefits to begin on preferred start date, and I have attached all necessary documents, including proof of age and employment history, to facilitate the processing of my application. Please confirm the receipt of my application and inform me if any additional information is required. I appreciate your time and assistance in this matter and look forward to your prompt response. You may contact me at your phone number or your email address for any further details. Sincerely, your name? Here's our sample Social Security retirement benefits application letter. See how it effectively outlines the applicant's request for retirement benefits, includes all necessary personal information, and demonstrates clarity in the communication. By following this format step by step, you can create a straightforward and professional application letter that ensures a smooth processing of your Social Security retirement benefits. This letter helps the Social Security Administration understand your request and begin your benefits on time. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it, and subscribe for more tips on writing formal application letters.